Today I'm going to do some swatches of these new Salon Perfect polishes that I picked up from Walmart. If any of you were lucky enough to get the Salon Perfect mini Valentine packages, they had 9 colors in them, 9 different colors. I have 7 of those 9 colors here I was able to find in the larger size bottles. None of the Walmart stores in my area had those teeny ones. So the 2 that I'm missing is the Red Cream Heartstrings and Pucker and Peach, which I believe was a pinky peach color. And I'm kind of really sad about that. I kind of wanted to add those 2 to my collection too, but that's okay. At least I got most of them. So I am going to swatch these for you, and they are some really gorgeous colors. So let's get started. The first one I'm going to show you is called She's a Star, and it doesn't appear that it's picking up too good on camera, but this is a gorgeous iridescent polish. If you get a chance to pick this one up, this is a great one to have in your collection. So here is the first coat. And this makes a nice top coat, and it does have some good coverage on this first coat. The description for She's a Star on the Salon Perfect website, they call it a radiant gold glitter. It does have a strong gold shimmer to it. I'm kind of thinking it's mostly white. I'm going to call this one good at 2 coats. The next one we're going to look at is All That Glitters is Gold. Oddly enough, this one is described as a radiant gold glitter too. So I'm guessing they just don't have the right description for that last one, because that one's definitely not gold. Anyways, but this one is a great holographic gold glitter. So if you don't have a holographic gold glitter, I do recommend this one. And this is 1 coat. So if you put the first coat on thinly enough, it can get away. You can get away with using this as a topper. This is a little bit thicker than I would go if I was going to use it as a topper. This one is a really gorgeous holographic gold. And I believe it is opaque enough to be on its own in 2 coats. If you have like longer nails or something like that, you might need 3, but I'm going to call this one at 2. And I think, yeah, this is, oh my God, this is so beautiful. This is actually going to be a great gold for St. Patrick's Day. So if you guys are looking for a St. Patrick's Day gold, I would definitely recommend this one. I am going to be putting out some nail art videos using these colors as soon as possible, so you guys can get some ideas. The next one we're going to look at is the lightest of the cream polishes, and this one is called Under the Tuscan Sun, and they describe it as a terracotta rose cream. Here is the first coat of Under the Tuscan Sun. Oh my gosh. This is a 1-coater, no doubt, but I am going to throw on a 2nd coat. And here is the 2nd coat. This polish levels instantly and makes it a breeze to apply. The next one we're going to look at is called Pink Powerhouse, and they describe this one as a bold Hot Pink Cream. So here is the first coat of Pink Powerhouse. Unlike the other one, this is a complete one coater. It levels out really well right away, but I'm going to put a second coat out to see if it just deepens the color at all, but actually I don't think it will, because I think that's pretty much the color in the bottle. Okay, and here is the second coat. I don't think it really darkened it any, but I always do like using 2 coats of nail polish. I did want to show you the comparison of the two side by side. So this one is definitely lighter, and this is under the Tuscan Sun, and this is Pink Powerhouse, which actually both of them together would completely make an awesome gradient. Next, we're going to look at Lip Stick It to Them. And this one is described as a mauve shade with a golden shimmer. So yes, I definitely do see the golden shimmer. I'm not actually sure if it's mauve. I usually think of it as berry, but I might be wrong. Might actually be mauve. That's what they call it. So let's take a look at this on the nail. Okay, here is the first coat of Lip Stick It to Them. Okay, again, this is a one coater. It's gorgeous. It levels perfectly, but we will take a look at it with a second coat. Here is the second coat. Same as the first, applies great and levels out perfectly. And the golden shimmer is really, really nice. The next one we're going to look at is called You Go Girl, and this is described as a juicy mulberry cream. Okay, let's see how this one works. Again, I think it is a perfect one coater. Perfect level on that first coat. So let's see what a second coat looks like. And here is the second coat. I am just putting on average coats. I mean, they're not really thick or anything like that. So this is actually a really good formula. This one is called She's the Boss, and it's described as a punchy fuchsia shimmer, and it does have a really pretty shimmer in there. Here's the first coat of She's the Boss. Just like all the other polishes. It is a one coater, and you can see the shimmer, which is really, really beautiful. There it is. We'll see if it deepens any with 2 coats. And here is the second coat. I do think it bring out the shimmer a little bit more with that second coat. Okay, my thoughts on this collection, they are remarkable. Oh my gosh, I think they are really great. The formulas on every single one of these polishes is awesome. And I actually have some of their like neons from last summer. I actually don't remember them being this awesome. These polishes are completely awesome. All of these are available at your local Walmart stores right now. I paid, I believe they were $3.98 a bottle. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I love reading comments, so comment. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.